Hola mi gente, I just wanted to make a quick little video here about Maestra AI. If you're a video editor looking for subtitles to translate your audio from one language into another language, well, I found this AI and I wanted to do a quick little review after using it for a couple of days. Maybe, hopefully, allowing this video to kind of help you if you are kind of navigating or even looking at AIs. There are other AIs that you could possibly use. This is the first one that I'm using, and I'm actually using their feature, which is like a pay-as-you-go features, because I didn't want to subscribe to a monthly one because I didn't know if I was going to use it that much currently since I'm doing a series. Nevertheless, just jump into it and kind of show you around in case that you've never seen this, or perhaps you're a little familiar but just don't know where to start. Obviously, I've done a couple little clips. This is kind of like your hub. This is kind of the place if you have transcription just done, which is no subtitles or captioning on your video. Subtitle is on video and it will translate from just one language, or it can translate to another one, which is a feature that I use a lot more. Never tested out voiceovers, so can't really talk about that. Same thing with real time. Don't even know what that is, I will be honest. So let's jump into the most recent. Like I said, it's been very quick, maybe a couple minutes. Nevertheless, like you can see here, when I started using this was 2 days ago. Haven't done many that long, and then the last one that I did was very long, and this one actually had about 8 different speakers, I believe. This was a long clip of overlapping like footage of people of main character, main person, speaker one saying hi, introducing, and then capturing it in Spanish, and then having these captions then speak in English. And so I did kind of pull this portion out of the main timeline that I have, and then I said I want you to go ahead and translate this whole entire portion. And so I already edited, I exported it, and then I threw it into this AI Maestra, and then I said do your best, because this is going to take me a long time and I want to quicken the workflow. Basically, that's why I started using this AI, because I just wanted to preserve my sanity, basically. And so for the most part, it did great. I'd give it about an 85% accuracy. Now you can see that the AI will come into a red kind of text when it's like uncertain, and then yellow like was fairly confident, and then white being like I know this is what is said. Then you can kind of go in and fix the original language so it can translate it accurately. And I did do also obviously kind of go into personalization of the fonts and such like that. You can do that for each one, or just apply a single one, or apply for all that speaker. I wish they did have more font selections. That's my preference design wise, as well as if you could adjust it horizontally. I don't know, maybe you wanted like a lower third, I don't know, and things like that. I wish there was a little more flexibility, maybe just grabbing and just moving around on screen. I wish there was a little more control, but I understand that this is kind of like beginning stages of this AI, so like we don't have that customization. We do have color customization. I do appreciate it. I wish that these presets could be uniform all over, not just project to project. Kind of have like your own presets that you can have. They're very, very basic right now. So I won't give them a hard time because they're working on other more important features probably. Overall, like I said, a 5-minute clip, and then it was really accurate. I really do appreciate that as it goes, this will automatically adjust. If I go down the timeline and I say, oh, what about this caption, like I'm seeing it and this isn't right, it will automatically kind of begin. You can go and edit it, and then you can kind of adjust it, save it, as well as I believe you can double click and I'll go to it. Typically when I've done it, you can kind of, it'll snap back to the one here. Yeah, see, once you press play, it'll snap back to that the one that you're actually viewing at the time, and it'll come up right here. So like this is the 9th one. And so like I said, whatever, if you change the original language, it will translate. Overall, like you said, you can turn that feature off, but I have auto scroll on. So far, I'm not gonna lie, I've actually really enjoyed this, and I actually really like that it's been so easy to use, like simplistic, to the point, no sugarcoating it. Let's get it done. And exports the same thing. You can export to the languages, the subtitles here, which is cool. These are your options, as well as I've been just exporting MP4. You can get the translation or the transcript right there, but I've been exporting it and just dropping it right into my timeline, which has been really cool because I can go add more audio there, or if it's just a talking bit like a talking head or things like that, I can just replace it because I do the ins and out on my project, and boom, right, I keep it pushing. And so that I really do appreciate it. So from video editor standpoint, I'm really happy with it. Wish there was a little more customization because I can't really, it's too low. You can adjust it vertically in the captioning, but horizontally I can't. And you can't adjust if I want the line longer, which I would prefer if the line was a little bit longer. Things like that, which are kind of design wide, but for the time being saved, I really do appreciate it. So I can't complain too much. Really enjoy that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll try to help you. If not, I suggest you reach out to support. Definitely check it out. I'm not sponsored. It is an affiliate link. You don't have to use it, but if you do, it's a couple extra pennies for maybe my sanity for snacks when I'm editing. So hope this helps, and yeah, take it easy. Bye.